are watching Kashif Times.
मैं सर सैदपुर हाई स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल राजकुमार सर है। सर, आपके बच्चों ने बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट और एक्सप्लेन किया है ट्रैफिक और पोल्यूशन को लेकर, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इनके बच्चों के लिए?
देखिए, ऐसा तो सभी स्कूलों के बच्चों ने अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया है। यहाँ पर लेट द बेस्ट विन। हमने एक ट्रैफिक रिलेटेड हमने एक समस्या भेजा था इधर पे प्रोजेक्ट में, और शायद जजेस को पसंद आया होगा, और अगर उनको पसंद आया तो शायद हमें प्राइज भी मिल सकता है। तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा, सारे बच्चे ने अच्छा मेहनत किया है और ऐसे ही मेहनत करें और अच्छा वो लोग उनको एग्जिबिट करें, ये हमारी सबकी यही इच्छा है।
राव साहब ने कहा। दर्शकों, आप देख रहे हैं खबर फेस्टिवल में दिशानाथ में हमारे सहयोगी चैनल है काशिफ टाइम्स। शारदा ज्ञानपीठ इंटरनेशनल हाई स्कूल मलाड ईस्ट में साइंस एग्जीबिशन का कार्यक्रम पी नॉर्थ वार्ड की तरफ से रखा गया है, जिसमें तकरीबन 250 स्कूल ने पार्टिसिपेट किया है। और हमारे साथ सेंट पॉल हाई स्कूल है, जिन्होंने जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है ट्रैफिक एंड पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल पर प्रोजेक्ट बनाया। तो आइए हम बात करते हैं स्कूल के बच्चों से। आपका नाम बताइए, स्टैंडर्ड बताइए और प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताइए।
My name is Patel Lionel Sheldon and our school name is St. Paul's High School, and the name of our project is Traffic and Pollution Control System. This is for controlling the traffic. As you can see, there is a very heavy traffic in our city Mumbai, and many accidents are caused due to that. So we have made up this project to reduce the accidents and to control the pollution too.
Okay, you are good there.
जी, my name is Sheikh Farid Ibrahim. So this project is made to control traffic. So this is we have taken the Mid-Chowki junction. So there are 4 ways, and here the traffic is high particularly. So we have placed sensors. It will track the high density zone where the density of traffic is high. So it will send a signal to the microcontroller, and based on the received signal, it will turn green accordingly. The signal will turn green. If the traffic in a particular way increases, it will allow that road to decongest the traffic first. So, and this same system can be used for ambulances. The siren of the ambulance will be picked up by the sensors, and they will send a signal to the main signal that an ambulance is stuck in the traffic. So it will allow that route to move first, so the life in the ambulance can be saved. It is the most important thing right now. So here other thing we have used is transformer, regulator and the rectifier, which supply current to the distinct signal as well as the microcontroller, which uses the solar power, which is eco-friendly, free of cost and a renewable source of energy. Transformer is used to supply current. Rectifier is used to increase or decrease the voltage of microcontroller, and the regulator regulates the voltage of the distinct signal as well as the microcontroller. And also we have utilized the Google Maps, which will be installed as a signboard at every signal junction within the radius of 5 kilometers. This signboard, with the help of Google Maps, will alert the riders about the upcoming traffic, so they can take any alert route to save their time and to reach their destination faster.
This is all about traffic. What can you say about the pollution? Because you know, pollution air quality index is increasing day by day. You know, the AQI of Mumbai reaching up to 200, and at Delhi it is up to 500. So what can you say about the pollution, how to control it?
So as you can see, we have also incorporated another innovation in our project, where we are trying a bit to reduce the pollution. You can see we can have an underground tank which can be filled with water, and this water can be passed through pipe across the dividers and signals, and it can spray water, and it will create mist, which will allow the pollutants in the air to settle down. And as you can see the ambulance over here, the IR sensors will also detect the sound of the ambulance siren. So it will send a direct message to the signal, so that the life in the ambulance can also be saved.
There is water is there.
As you can
fresh the air.
Yes, the pollutants in the air can be settled down.
So it is better to inhale. It is worse to inhale now. So this will allow that we can't inhale that thing. If it will settle down, it will be easy to clean that thing. And nowadays we are inhaling that, so that will be stopped.
तो ये थे हमारे साथ सेंट पॉल हाई स्कूल के बच्चे, जिन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया ट्रैफिक एंड पोल्यूशन के बारे में। अब हम तमाम दर्शकों से रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि जो अपने वातावरण को स्वच्छ और साफ रखें और गंदगी ना करें, और जो इन्होंने जो बताया उसका ख्याल रखें। ट्रैफिक में अगर आप जाते हैं तो सिग्नल का पालन करें, बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट था सेंट पॉल हाई स्कूल की तरफ से, शुक्रिया।
Good morning. My name is Naitik Kumar. I am from St. Paul's High School. My project name is Probability. This is the game for the probability. This game name is roulette. Roulette wheel. Roulette is a French word, means a small wheel. Small wheel. It is established in France in 18th century. This is the tree of chances. This is the tree of chances. On these conditions, you have to bet. This